The story of the cows and the tiger. Once upon a time, deep in the forest, there lived 4 cows. They were good friends and they always stayed together. Such was their unity that all the other animals were always afraid of them. No one could ever dare to harm them, and among all those animals was a tiger. The tiger had been watching these cows for quite some time. He always wanted to feast upon them. Whenever he tried, he was driven away by them. One day, they all left together to go to the lawn. In some time, they reached the lawn. After walking all the way, they were all very hungry. As they were about to start eating, they had a disagreement and the 4 friends walked away from each other in a different direction to graze. All 4 of them were very angry at each other. The tiger grabbed this great opportunity and attacked them one after another. He killed and ate all of them. Till the time the 4 cows together, no one dared to come near them. But as soon as they fought, they left each other alone, which cost them their lives. Moral of the story: unity is the greatest strength.